Good evening. Welcome to Open House 2021. My name is Scott Maloney, and I will be your child's Algebra 2 or Accelerated 8th grade algebra teacher. I will be using Schoology to list all of your students' assignments, and we will be using OneNote for all of their classroom notes. If your child ever misses a class, those would be the first two places to look. If at any time you need to reach me, do not hesitate. Please, the quickest way is use my school email address, and I'll gladly work with you to tend to whatever matter it is. Thank you, and I look forward to a successful school year.
Hello, I'm Mr. Landry, and this year I'm going to be teaching Algebra 1 and Math 11. In these courses, I'm going to be using OneNote to record our notes and projects. I'll be posting my assignments on Schoology so we can keep track of what's due and when it is due, and as well as upcoming tests and quizzes. I'll be recording our grades on School Tools so we can see how the students are progressing throughout the year and keep track of their grades. Feel free to reach out to me at joseph.landry@waterloocsd.org with any questions or concerns. I look forward to a successful year. Have a good day. Bye.
Good evening. I'm Mrs. Westervelt, and I will have your child for algebra, 9th grade algebra. This year, we will be finishing off the year with the Algebra Regents. We will have spiral assignments every week. I give the students one piece of paper with review questions, so that is a weekly assignment. If your student is absent during class, assignments will be posted on Schoology. They can find their daily assignments there. Our notes will all be posted in their OneNote accounts, so they can always get to the teacher filled in copies of their notes when they need access to those. All students have been given a graphing calculator for the year, so they will always have a calculator to do assignments with. If you have any questions in regards to your child and their algebra work, please feel free to reach out and contact me either by email or by phone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jackie Hoff. I teach a variety of math classes, and I will be uploading all of my assignments into Schoology so that they can be found there. I will also be sending out a Parent Square email shortly. If you have any questions, you can contact me through there or through regular email. I hope we have a good year, and I will be in touch with you soon.
Hi, I'm Jen Van Arsdale, and I teach Regents Level Geometry. The most common question that I get asked is where to find things. If you're looking for grades, those are posted in SchoolTool. If you're looking for this week's assignments, or maybe your student missed a class, both of those things can be found in Schoology. Look here on the screen, you'll see that each week gets its own folder. Here's this week's list of assignments. They're posted here, along with a little description about what is to be expected. If your child is absent, please encourage them to come look at the absent document. It'll detail what we did each day so that they know what they missed. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help you. Thank you for sharing your child with me this year.
Oh, hey. How are you? I'm Mr. Gillen. I'm your student's math teacher. I teach 3 courses: Geometry Applications, Real World Math, and FLCC Math and Money. Your students can find their notes in OneNote and soon Schoology. You as a parent can email me through Parent Square or email. Your students and you can find their grades on SchoolTool. I'm looking forward to making this an amazing year, teaching your kids how math affects their life in the future and right now. I hope you have a great day.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Warwick. I teach Algebra 2, FLCC Pre-Calculus, and AP Calculus. Please congratulate your child for taking on a very challenging math class this year. And I'd like to ask you to encourage them to stay after school as much as possible. because these are more challenging classes and it's been a rough couple of years. So I know that the students will have a couple of things that they have trouble remembering that we have to use in upper level math. So I'm here for them every day. I like to think of it as free tutoring from 220 to 255 every day. All of their work will be on OneNote and all of their notes. If students are absent, I do record lessons for them so as to not leave them kind of high and dry with advanced math. And I know the content is very challenging. So please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. You can contact me via Parent Square or email, and I will always get back to you. There's my email. Have a great night.